morning students. This is lesson 3, lines and angles. In that, let us learn basic terms and definitions here. Okay, basic terms and definitions. Okay, now in that, first is let us learn line segment. A part of a line with two endpoints is called a line. Okay, it is called a line segment. Okay, you can see here, this is a line. Okay, we have a part of a line that is AB, that is nothing but line segment. Next, ray. Ray is a part of a line with one end point. Okay, one end point. The best example is arrow and bow. Okay, in that arrow, you all seen how is the arrow. Okay, that is the best point. Here one point, from this the line continues. Okay children, this is nothing but ray. Next is collinear points. What are collinear points? If three or more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. Okay, here you can see the dots. That means the points have kept here. You can see here children, the points are on the same line. Okay, so such points are called collinear points. Otherwise, if they are not collinear, then they are called non-collinear points. So here you can see the points, how the points are. They are not collinear, they are non-collinear. Next is angle. An angle is formed when two rays originate from the same endpoint. Okay, so you can see here, this one, see here, with the same endpoint. Okay, so this is nothing but what? Angle. Understood? The rays making an angle are called the arms. The rays making an angle. These two rays, AC and AB, are the rays making an angle. Are called. These two rays are called arms of the angle, and the end point is called vertex of the angle. The types of angles. What are the types of angles? Okay, you all studied in the previous class. Once again, let us recall what are acute angles, right angles, all those things. Okay, acute angle, the angle between 0 to 90 degree is called acute angle. Yes or no? Next, right angle, if an angle is equal to 90 degree, it is nothing but what? Right angle. Okay, and then here obtuse angle. You can see obtuse angle. Okay, obtuse angle is between 90 and 180. Okay, and then straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Reflex angle is in between 180, okay, and 360. And then one more last complete angle, that is equal to 360. Okay, complete angle, and I have drawn here children. You can see the same way you also can draw in your classwork. Okay children, this is first one is acute, second right angle, third is obtuse angle, fourth is straight angle, and then fifth is reflex angle, and last one is what is that? Complete angle. See children, start here, it will end like this. Okay, complete angle, and it makes a circle. Understood? Okay, so that is nothing but what? Complete angle. Understood? Now next is let us learn about other type of angles. Still more, many types of angles we can learn in this lesson. Okay, I will teach that. And let us see now what are complementary angles. Complementary angles, two angles whose sum is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Okay, then supplementary angles, two angles whose sum is 180 degree is called supplementary angles. The next is adjacent angles. Okay, adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? Two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and their non-common arms are on different sides of the common arm. That is angle. You can see here children, like this. Okay, ABD and DBC are adjacent angles. BD is a common arm, okay, for both the angles, and point B is a common point. Okay, so and then we can write the relation between these two angles. How? ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle ABD plus angle DBC also can write. Now let us see next is a linear pair of angles. Okay, linear pair of angles. If a non-common arms form a line, then we get a linear pair of angles. Okay, AB and BC are non-common rays. Okay, and then angle ABD and angle DBC are linear pair of angles. Okay, AB and BC are non-common rays. Okay, they are not common rays. Okay, they are different rays, and then you can see here two angles ABD and DBC are linear pair of angles. Next is vertically opposite angles. Okay, when two lines intersect, these two lines intersect each other, we get vertically opposite angles AB and CD. This AB and CD are the lines which are intersecting at the point O. Okay, and angle AOD is and angle BOC, one pair of vertically angle AOD and angle BOC are one pair of angles, and other pair of angles angle AOC and angle BOD are other pair of angles. So in vertically opposite angles we get two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Okay children, the next is intersecting and non-intersecting lines. How the intersecting and non-intersecting lines? Okay, you have studied this children. Intersecting lines, these are PQ and RS are intersecting lines, and these two PQ and RS are, what is this? They are non-intersecting lines. Okay children, so let me continue in the next class. This much you write down in your classwork. Okay, I will continue in the next class children. Okay, thank you.